To always use live theme for live transcribe on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcribe. Next, tap open live transcribe. Tap the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap more setting. Under display section, tap theme and then select live. With this setting, when you use live transcribe, it will always be displayed in live mode, where it will use that font tag on live background. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.